Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Welcome and thank you for joining me as we take our transformation journey day by day, thought by thought, and we're doing it together. In a few short minutes a day, we provokingly reflect and challenge ourselves into a different perspective, starting with just one thought. I coined them butterfly thoughts because we need to be reminded transformation comes in stages and can bring about beauty for butterflies and our lives. Today's episode is Indulge in Balance. You know what I did this morning? I took a very long, a very hot shower. Not a big newsflash, I know. You possibly didn't even want to know that. However, I admit the length of it certainly was not called for, nor was advisable on a budget. My husband will be hearing this podcast, so that will be a discussion. Here's my point. I enjoyed it immensely. First, I love hot water. I love showers, the entire experience of them, all the way down to how they make you feel clean. And I didn't want it to end this morning. The butterfly thought came in pretty early as I enjoyed my shower, and then in a split second guilted myself that I shouldn't be in there that long. It's wasting water. It's wasting the heat to heat the water. No one really should take a shower that long. We're trying to save for future years. Blah, blah, blah. What was my butterfly thought? It was that everyone, and I do mean everyone, deserves in balance some of the little things that they absolutely enjoy. Listen, life is too short. I don't know the experiences that you love, things you like to indulge in, what puts a smile on your face. Now hear me, I am not endorsing the over-the-top excessive indulgences that could end up hurting all of us in some ways, financially, physically, emotionally, etc. There are many things we could do excessively and then end up regretting them. Here's the thing, it's called balance. It's called wisdom in knowing the balance. It's up to us and our choice not to do excessively. But okay, let's think about it. What are your things you like to do? Your little indulgences. Come on, I know you can think of one right off the top of that question. It could be as simple as reading alone, taking a nap, taking that walk, a drive, going to the gym, having that shake, buying yourself some retail therapy, getting a pedicure, go to a salon, the hardware store, go play bingo. All right, everyone eat the chocolate. Do you get the point? We all need to allow ourselves permission and accept that different things speak to different people. I could keep listing things as ideas, but I don't have to. When you allow yourself permission and think on your own specific indulgences, let go and enjoy in balances your indulgences. We might just get a smile on your face, an attitude adjustment naturally, and be able to spread that to people all around. Remember, a smile is contagious. Indulge today. Smile today. Spread love today.